Now we're going to see how Docker works on non-Linux machines. So what we have in this setup is a Windows or a Mac machine, and then we have a Linux, kind of a virtual machine running. And with Docker Toolbox specifically, that is going to look like this. So here we have OS X, and then we have over here is Linux, which we do need for Docker. Then we have Docker running inside Linux, and then there's this communication that needs to go back and forth. So as we type in commands in the Docker client, they go over to Linux and then into Docker. Then we get the output from Docker through Linux back to OS X. That can't happen without some kind of tool sitting there helping us out, making all this happen. And that tool is going to be VirtualBox. So it sits there and basically provides this conduit that we have this communication going back and forth between Linux and OS X or Windows, for example. And again, this is also allowing Linux to actually run on OS X, because without some kind of virtual machine, then it's not going to be possible for Linux to run. Then we have also the Docker machine that connects these two and allows the client and Docker to communicate back and forth. So that is how it looks whenever you're not running directly off of Linux, but you need that conduit from Windows or from Mac into Linux. This is kind of what the setup is going to look like. And again, this is all being done through the Docker Toolbox. It goes in and installs everything, including VirtualBox, does that initial configuration for us, and works really well with Mac and with Windows.